Welcome back to IPR Uncovered. IP as shown in Shark Tank India. Today, we are talking about a brand that wasn't just a cricket accessory, it was a revolution for the sport. We are talking about Straight Bat. The pitch, the smart bat. The founders of Straight Bat, Madhusudan R, Gagan Daga, and Rahul Nagar, stepped into the tank with a pitch that promised to change how cricketers train. They've created a small, lightweight smart sticker that attaches to any cricket bat. This sticker contains motion sensors and connects to an app, providing real-time data and analytics on every shot. The founders were selling a solution that offered professional-level insights to cricketers at every level, from beginners to international players. The pitch highlighted the numerous data points their device could capture: bat speed, backlift angle, timing, sweet spot percentage, and even a 3D replay of the shot. They were selling a product that was not only innovative but also a tool for continuous improvement. The ask? A confident 1.5 crores rupees for 1% equity, valuing the company at a staggering 150 crores rupees. This high valuation was a testament to their belief in the product's unique technology and its potential to disrupt the massive sports tech market. IPR Uncovered, the strength of the technology. Now, let's get to the most crucial part of this analysis, their intellectual property. For a tech startup like Straight Bat, IP is its most valuable asset. The founders were very clear that they had patents granted in both India and the US for their invention. The core of their IP is the unique technology that utilizes motion sensors and an AI engine to provide real-time analytics. A patent on this technology gives Straight Bat a legal monopoly on their invention for a set period. This prevents competitors from reverse engineering their product and selling a similar device. This is a crucial defensible moat that justifies their valuation and gives the sharks confidence that they're investing in a unique, protected technology, not just a product that could be easily replicated. Additionally, their brand name, Straight Bat, is protected by a trademark, which prevents brand confusion in the market. The combination of strong patents and trademarks shows that the founders are not just building a product, but a valuable, defensible brand. The outcome? A sweet deal. Straight Bat's pitch was a huge success. The founders impressed the sharks with their innovative product and strong IP. After a bidding war with multiple sharks, they secured a deal with Aman Gupta. While the final deal varied slightly from the initial ask, it was a fantastic outcome for the founders. It solidified Straight Bat's position as a major player in the sports tech space and gave them the funding and mentorship to scale their operations. Closing note. The story of Straight Bat is a great example of how a truly innovative product, backed by strong intellectual property, can impress even the most discerning investors. It shows that in a crowded market, a patent can be the key to unlocking a profitable and defensible business. What did you think of the Straight Bat pitch? Did the sharks make a smart investment? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Because in a world full of ideas, the real game is in owning and protecting them. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.